Hello stunning fan, Michele here. We're glad you stopped by. Today we're making a garland out of some mandarins we got from Sarah's family mandarin business, Doring Mandarins. You can use any kind of citrus to make these. We're just using the mandarins because it's something that we have in the family. First, we slice the mandarins and position them single file on our dehydrator trays. We included the ends and the small pieces that we could also use for other projects in the future. Next, we set the dehydrator to 135 degrees and turned it on and let it do its thing. After approximately 12 to 14 hours, the mandarins were dried. You know they're dried when they're nice and crispy and there's no softness to them whatsoever. The next step was to string the garland. Using an embroidery needle and some twine, we began alternating between dried mandarins and wooden beads as we strung them onto the twine into a cute garland that could be used on our Christmas tree, the mantle, or in a wreath for the holiday season. We are a lifestyle channel that features a variety of content from cooking, unboxing videos, to anything that can be a DIY style project. And we would really love it if you would like and subscribe and hit the bell so you can be notified the next time that we decide to share one of our projects. Again, thanks for stopping by and have an amazing day.